Hey guys, welcome to or back to my channel. So picture this, it's a Sunday morning, you wake up and life is good. You go downstairs to make breakfast, but hold on a minute, you don't know what to make. Well, don't stress, because this is a recipe for the fluffiest, lightest pancakes. Seeing as you're already watching this video, thank you by the way, why don't you like and subscribe below and follow my socials. S'il vous plaît, cliquez sur le bouton d'abonnement et la cloche de notification. Suivez mon Instagram et Facebook. Let's get on with the video. In a bowl, start off with your dry ingredients. Mix 150 grams of plain flour, 2.5 tablespoons of sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Set aside when done. In a separate bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of oil, 150 milliliters of milk and 1 egg yolk. Also set that aside, then bring the flour mix back in. Add the wet mix in and combine. Make sure not to overmix, otherwise you knock all the air out. Lastly, add the egg whites and mix for half a minute. On a low heat, put a bit of butter in a fry pan and leave till it melts. Spoon your batter in the fry pan, forming a nice circle. Leave on one side to cook for 3 minutes. Flip it over and cook the other side for another 2 to 3 minutes until light golden brown. Keep frying till you use all the batter. Once your pancakes are cooled, you can eat it with anything you want. I'm having it with strawberries, bananas, and a cube of butter. With any American stack of pancakes, you always need to have maple syrup on the top. All finished. I took a bite, and even though it's a quick and easy recipe, the taste does not fall flat. Thank you guys for watching and staying till the end of the video. I hope you learned something. A big shout out to Addison's Glossy for making my new intro. Go to her Instagram to check out all her other edits. Before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell and check out all my other videos. Stay indoors and see you next time.